Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Solana from Crypto.com to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets around for better opportunities or just to diversify, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and KuCoin, and that you have some Solana in your Crypto.com wallet. Always double-check that you're using the correct network. Solana transactions only work on the Solana blockchain, so avoid any mix-ups to prevent losing your funds. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to your wallet section and select the Solana asset. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer. Click that to get started. Now, on KuCoin, open your account and go to the deposit section. Search for Solana, and you'll get a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully. It's like a super important key, so no typos allowed. Back on Crypto.com, paste the KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send, and don't forget to review any network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your transaction status using tools like Solana's Block Explorer. Finally, once it's done, log back into KuCoin and check your wallet to confirm the Solana has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you send Solana from Crypto.com to KuCoin in 2025. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always prioritize security and never send to the wrong address. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.